This is Ron from Ron's Drone and Camera channel. Today I have a product to show you that I purchased from Amazon.com. It's a hard shell case for the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and what's different about this one is for the smart controller bundle. So I'll be right back with the review. Okay, as I mentioned before, this is a case for the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. What's specific about it is it's for the smart controller bundle. So let's get into it. I purchased this from Amazon.com. I'm not an affiliate seller, so I will include a link to buy it. But again, I'm not a affiliate seller. I get no compensation from this. It may be able to purchase other places, I don't know. But it was roughly around $40, and it's like a hard case. It has a carrying handle here, and it has the shoulder strap, which is adjustable, so that's good. Okay, this is the top, and it's has little things saying Rance, Raiace, however you pronounce that. So it's got double zipper here, so we're going to open it up. And up top we have a little accessory pouch. I have like the strap for my smart controller in there. And other accessories like my charging brick for the smart remote, a little cloth. And up top here, I'm going to spin this around here for the camera. You have another little accessory pack here where you can keep stuff such as your ND filters, your charging cables for for the power brick and for the smart controller. And I also have the little extended landing legs from Polar Pro in here too, that I've been using with testing out with the Mavic. So far, they've been very durable and handy. The only downside is, and I'll get to more detail in a second here, is that they won't fit in the case if you keep them on. So that's why I've taken them off here. But over to the main event here. Spin this around again. Okay, here's how the drone and the controller and the batteries are laid out in here. I have the charging brick in here. Fits in, it won't fall right out on you, but it's easy to get out now. I just made it look. You have room for 2 batteries here. If you keep one in the drone, you'll have room for 3 batteries. You have the smart controller goes in here. I've taken the sticks off because you can't get it to fit. You can get the clothes with the sticks on, but it's not good because it's crunching the sticks. So I put the sticks away, and then it fits in very easily. There's even kind of some room down here to keep something too. I got like a little cheat sheet here, but you can keep something on the bottom. Like I could have kept that cleaning cloth there or something. But there's definitely room underneath there. And then here's the drone. It fits in, snugly, but not too hard to get out. You don't feel like you're, damaging the propellers or anything in here. So, and that's good. And, when you have this all back in there again, and you put this flap down, it has your accessories. Of course, that kind of covers and protects it, but also you have these little Velcro straps here, so that keeps the top, securely in place. And just back to this for a second. You have the 4 deeper pockets here, but you also have the 4 pockets up front here for smaller items. So again, it's it's an affordable case. I'm not saying it's the best case in the market. There's probably better ones out there for more money, but and I haven't tried any of the other ones, so I'm not really doing a comparison here. It's the only Mavic 2 case I have, but it kind of fits all my needs. I can get all the stuff in I want. My only gripe would be if this compartment would have been a little bit deeper here, where I could have kept my extended landing legs on and still put them in the case. But it compromises with everything. put this back up again. And again, this back up to here again. There's plenty of room to keep stuff in here. It's not spilling out. You put everything in. It's a little bit tight to close if you have stuff in all the compartments. But as you can see, it wasn't that hard to close with all these accessories in there. And it has that kind of this what you would call it, like a suitcase material, all around. And you said you could definitely feel it. It's hard up here. And the same thing, you could definitely feel the hardness along the back. And again, that suitcase material. The strap seems to be, well made. The hooks seem to be well made. Again, I've been using this for a little over a month now, so it has got some real world testing. And so far I don't see anything starting to pull out, or I don't see the zipper starting to go, or I don't really see any wear here. Like I said, I've had it out in the field, I've had it out down to the beach and the grass and so on, and I don't think it's waterproof, but I will link the description down below, and that'll tell you if it is. But I don't believe it was waterproof, but I did see some that were. They were probably more money of this. And the handle's made of a soft rubbery material, and it seems it's comfortable in the hand. It doesn't seem to cut the hand. So again, if you want to check it out on Amazon, I will include the link. But I've been very happy with it so far. And when I searched for this in we'll say the early part of June, it was kind of hard to find many that were made for the smart controller. Hopefully there's more available. At the time when I bought this, there wasn't any reviews on it yet, and I think I left a review. I hope I left a review on Amazon for it. I mean, a full disclosure, I paid for this out of my own pocket. It wasn't set as a review unit, so I did pay for it. And again, I hope I left a review on Amazon for it. If not, I will go back and take care of that right now. All right, so that's kind of my final conclusions and review of the case. I like it. That's the bottom line. But again, I've had it, maybe a month and a half now, and everything is, so far so good. But I will stop back in a few months from now, maybe, late fall, early winter, after I've had it maybe 6 months, and give you a follow-up review to make sure I'm still happy with it, that everything's still good with it. I'm a strong believer in, reviews over time. I mean, most things are good right out of the box when you first start using, but give them a few months, and that'll really be the tale of how good something is. So again, I'm dropping that Amazon link down below. You can go check it out, purchase if you want, and again, thanks for stopping by the channel, watching my reviews. Please give any comments or feedback down below. Any questions, I'll try to answer them. So that's it, and we'll see you in the next one.